Guys, this update is for those people that are mining TOMARKET. Like, this update just dropped a few minutes ago and I decided to bring it here to my community so that you guys should stay updated. Now, before I read out what TOMARKET posted on their official Telegram channel, guys, support this channel by hitting the subscribe button if you've not done that already. Now, guys, here's the updates they dropped for those that are mining TOMARKET. Guys, they posted this picture, which is like a screenshot of the tax tab. If you go to your TOMARKET mining bot, you click on tax, you're going to see this very page in there. Now let me go back to the write-up. Now they said, final call, complete your bonus TOMA TGE tax before they are gone. Attention TOMARKET players, all bonus tax introduced after our November TGE will be removed on December 12th at 8 p.m. UTC. Now they now say that means you have just 24 hours left to complete this tax and maximize your rewards. Note, these tax are your last chance to double your TOMA earnings. Don't miss out. Now I'm just going to scroll up a little bit. It said what you need to do. Head over to the tax section now. Complete all available bonus tax before the deadline. Act fast to secure your rewards. Hashtag TOMA is coming. And guys, this very post or announcement has gotten lots of reactions, including comments. Let me just click on the comments to see what people are saying. And I don't think there's any important comment that we should look out for. So guys, that's the latest announcement from TOMARKET. Now I'm just going to head on straight to my TOMARKET mining bot. Guys, it's been a while since I came on here due to some challenges. Now this is my dashboard. This is what it looks like. I participated in the first one they did, and now this is like the phase 2. Yes, I participated in the phase 1, and I think this is like the phase 2, which I've not been really active with. Now they say we should click on the tax section to ensure that we complete all our tax before they disappear in 24 hours time. Now when you click on tax, you see there's tax and there's bonus tax. Now scrolling up a little, you see in the normal tax section there are a few tax here that I can complete to earn more TOMA coins. This one say easily create your wallet with BitGet Wallet Lite. Guys, I already have a BitGet wallet. I already have normal BitGet, and now they are saying you should create a wallet with BitGet Wallet Lite and you're going to get 10,000 TOMA. Now this one say follow TOMA news on X and get 10,000. And guys, the tax goes on and on, which some of them I have not completed. I'm going to try and complete them in this video. Now the next one, when we click on bonus tax, which I think they are talking about, these are the tax that they said is going to disappear in 24 hours time. Now clicking on it, they say join Clayton game and I'm going to earn 10,000 TOMA. This one say join free airdrop at Timon's app. Guys, it's all about playing other Telegram in-app games and following their socials. I think this is all what is about. So guys, I'm just going to take my time to see if I can complete a few of these tasks so I don't miss out. So guys, let's head on straight to doing all of these tasks one by one. So guys, I've been able to do some of this tax, and I think it was 16 that was up here, this bonus tax, and I'm having just 10 left to complete, which I'm going to take my time later on to do it one after the other. Now if you click on this tax section, you can still complete these ones if you've not done them already. Now let's click on airdrop. Like I said, it's been a while since I came on here, so I really don't know what is going on. Now they say listing season airdrop, 63% of Thomas supply distributed before listing, and they are saying 7 days 3 hours left before the airdrop. Guys, let's just wait and see. Now if I click on the listing roadmap, you see all of this, November. By December 7th, golden ticket, sex exchanges pre-deposits is happening soon. Then sex listing is happening on the 20th of December. That means they are going to be listing TOMARKET on the 20th of December, so you don't want to miss out. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not done that already. And if you have any questions, guys, I have a Telegram community and also a WhatsApp community. Feel free to check out the link in the description of this video.